Today you deposit $6,000 in an account that pays 5.25% interest, compounded semi-annually. After 10 years, the interest rate is increased to 5.4%, compounded quarterly. What will be the value of the account 18 years from now? So they want to know the value of the account 18 years from now. And this is going to be a two-part question because after 10 years, there's an increase to our interest rate as well as to the compounding. So let's look at the first 10 years. N is going to be 10 times 2 because it's 10 years and it's compounded semi-annually. So PYCY will be 2 as well. The interest rate is 5.25. The present value is 6,000 because we start out with 6,000. There are no payments, and we are looking for the future value. So if we use the TVM solver, we get $10,074.29. So that is how much is in the account after 10 years. So we now need to find out what's happening in the final 8 years because they want to know the value of the account 18 years from now, and 10 years have already passed. So 18 minus 10 is 8. So this will be 8 times 4 because it's now compounded quarterly. So PYCY will also be 4. And the interest rate has increased to 5.4. Now our starting off point is going to be the ending point from the first 10 years. So we are going to transfer the future value from the first box into the present value in the second box. So this is our new starting point. Again, there are no payments, and we are trying to find the future value. So using the TVM solver, you should get $15,473.